match max on this trade. You can see a very, very, very good sell. And absolutely no question about the king of the jungle now. No question about the king of the jungle. Look at that, guys. Is that sexy like a box of chocolates or what? That is sexy like a box of chocolates, guys. Great extra add-in sell just in here as well. You see that just there. Beautiful little add-in sell against that high uptick price. You could have joined in on that trade at that point, added to the trade at that point, resold if you'd taken profits where we took profits at that point for this continuation sell. We'd already identified that it was definitely going to go to this price, but obviously since then, the valuation actually is telling us that it should actually make day lows, potentially day lows, which obviously takes us all the way back down to this kind of price area here. So you can see that there's a lot of wiggles on this trade still. A lot of short-term, long-term wiggles to get into this as a seller, with the possibility of making a new landfall bottom edge, which is fantastic. But anyway, there's an acceleration here against a deceleration here, which obviously is going to put a little bit of a profit take into this. So if you are in a multi-position here, I would just be using this little fractal ledge here as a very nice place to take some edge profits at that point there. Just a little bit of profit taking at that point just there, and makes a lot of sense just to lock away some of your monies. But the way it's setting up at the present moment, you can see we've made a new lower low on the max, and the price hopefully should make a lower low, taking us down to maybe even as low as 30-40s at that stage. But no, just take some profits. It's always a good idea when you come into another key level to book away some profits on those trades, and don't get greedy. We've just went from a high print price starting at 31.33, and we've just traded 30.006, and that's giving us a very nice 70 tick Dow Jones sell side. Beautiful profit on that trade, which is just bordering on fantastic, isn't it? Considering everything else in the background, this has just been a fantastic play by Max on this occasion. Sexy? Yeah, it's pretty sexy. Pretty sexy. We'll be covering some of the pricing tools that we talked about, some of the pricing mechanisms that we talked about for the bond trade in Classroom, and we'll just be going back over some of the other kind of macro ideas.